A Tesla Model X is a unique vehicle. Instead of being powered by gasoline, it's powered by electricity, which you can get for free at the Tesla Supercharger. One of the things you notice about a Tesla is what it doesn't have. Nowhere in this car will you find a keyhole or a starter button. So how do you start the car? You don't have to. You simply put it into drive and you go. See, the Tesla's electric motor isn't like a regular ICE motor. There is no idle. When the car is not moving, the engine, it's not turning, it just stops. And that creates a very, very unique situation where it's possible to operate a Tesla without the key whatsoever. Even if you lose your Tesla key, you can still operate the car with the Tesla app. Once I get to my destination, I put the car in the park. Then I simply walk away from it. The car will automatically lock itself up and shut down. As I return back to the car, it will automatically know I'm coming, and it will, see, the light just came on. The problem is, once you get used to this system, it can turn you into a polluter. A few Saturdays ago, my wife had a Tesla, so I was using a normal ICE vehicle, and we were going for .com lunch in Irvine, California. So we go for lunch like normal, except I'm still thinking I'm in the Tesla. So instead of turning off the engine, getting out of the car, what I did was I just pulled up to the parking spot, put it in park, and walked away from the car. In a Tesla, that's what you do. You walk away, the car shuts itself down. But in an ICE vehicle, it doesn't do that. So when I finally got back to the car, I found out that I left the engine idling and the car unlocked for 2.5 hours. And I probably killed a couple of polar bears because of that. This is a public service message to all Tesla owners. If you have a Tesla, please remember, when you're driving an ICE, it does not automatically turn itself off. Make sure you turn it off so you don't end up killing any polar bears and destroying our environment. This is John Chow from johnchow.com. Thank you very much for listening. Give me a thumbs up if you like that. Like and share my videos, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.